Namaste Vidyao. Myself Dr. Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, uh, Jaipur. Today's the topic is manufacture manufacture of for sale of homeopathic medicine. In this act, we study the method of the manufacture for this manufacture of the homeopathic medicine and sale of homeopathic medicines. Let's the study. In this act, uh, in this act, various subsection included. Let's start with this 85A subsection. In this section, manufacture of more than one set of premises means the more than one homeopathic medicines are manufactured. 85B application of the license of manufacture of homeopathic medicines. And after that, 85C application of manufacture of new homeopathic medicine. 85D form of license to manufacture homeopathic medicines. 85E condition to the grant or renewal of a license in form 25C. And 85F duration of license. 85G certificate of renewal. 85H condition of license. 85I cancellation and suspension of license. Let's study of 85A manufacture on more than one set of premises. If homeopathic medicines are manufactured is more than one set of premises, a separate application shall be made and a separate license shall be obtained in respect of each set of premises. And let's study of 85B application for license of manufacture of homeopathic medicines. Application for grant or renewal of license to manufacture of for sale of homeopathic medicine shall be made of the license authority appointing by the state government by the purpose of this part. And subsection in this points, these are the application form 24C shall be accompanied by the fee of 40 rupees of for manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture and potentized preparation, and by fee of 25 rupees for manufacture of homeopathic potentized preparation only. That means application for license of manufacture preparation from the back potency by pharmacies who are already licensed to the sell homeopathic medicines by retail shall also be made in the form 24C, and such application shall be accompanied by fee of 20 rupees. If a person applies for renewal of a license after its expiry but within 1 month of such expiry, the fee payable of the renewal such a license shall be 40 rupees and additional fees of 20 rupees for the manufacture of homeopathic tinctures and potentized preparation, and 20 rupees plus additional fees and 10 rupees for manufacture of homeopathic potentized preparation only. The rupees 10 shall be paid of duplicate copy for the license of manufacture of homeopathic mother tincture and preparation issued under sub rule first if the original is defected, damaged or lost, while the fees paid for the such a duplicate copy of the license of manufacture homeopathic potentized preparation shall be rupees 5. And let's study that 85C rule, the application of manufacture homeopathic medicines. No new homeopathic medicine shall be manufactured unless it is previously approved by the license authority mentioned in rule 21. The manufacture of the new homeopathic medicine while applying the license authority mentioned in sub rule first shall be produced such documentary and other evidence as may be required by the licensing authority or assessing the therapeutic efficacy of the medicine including the minimum proving carried out with it. While applying the license to manufacture of new homeopathic medicine, an applicant shall be produced along with the application evidence that new homeopathic medicine for the manufacture for the which application is made has already been approved. Means the new homeopathic medicine is proved and authorized by the any authorized government and homeopathy pharmacopoeia pharmacy laboratory. After that, in this situation, he prepared the new homeopathic medicine. If the uh, data is authorized by the government. And let's study the 85D form of the license to manufacture of homeopathic medicines. License for manufacture of homeopathic medicine as a license to manufacture potentized preparation from back potency by pharmacies who already licensed to sell homeopathic medicine by retail shall be granted in form 25C. Means he already taken the license to sell homeopathic medicine in the retail. uh, he grant the he also granted the permission for manufacture of the homeopathic medicines. And 85E condition of the grant or renewal of a license in form 25C. Before a license in 25C granted or renewal, uh, some conditions shall be completed by the applicant. That is, the manufacture of homeopathic medicine shall be conducted under the direction and supervision of the technical staff consisting at least one person who is a whole-time employee and who has at least 5 years experience in the uh, manufacture of homeopathic medicine. The factory premises shall be clean and manufacture shall be carried out under the hygienic condition. That is the must. uh, the applicant, the manufacturer of the homeopathic mother tincture shall either provide and maintain the adequate staff, premises, laboratory equipment for identifying the raw material and testing of the mother tincture wherever possible. Decide the some institution approved by the license authority for tests where the possible to be regularly carried out his behalf by the institution. The premises where homeopathic medicine are manufactured shall be distinct and separate from the premises used for residential purpose. Homeopathic medicine shall not be manufactured with the any drug pertaining to the other systems of the medicines. The applicant shall make the arrangement for the proper storage of homeopathic manufactures by him. That is, the provided the manufacturer has been issued from 20C and the license shall ensure the satisfaction the license authority that the product manufactured by it conform to the claims made on the label. And let's study the 85F duration of license. A original license or renewal of a license unless it's sooner suspended or cancelled shall be valid up to 31st December of the year following of the year in which it the granted or renewal, provided the application of the renewal license for it here the expiry and the applicant it may be additional fee paid within 1 month or its expiry. The license shall continue in the force until order the passed on the application. The license shall be deemed to have expired if application for its renewal to not be made within 1 month or expiry. 85B certificate of renewal. The certificate of renewal a license in form 25C shall be issued in form 26. Let's study the condition of license, that is means 85A subsection. A license in form 25C shall be subjected to condition stated there in the following further condition That means the license shall be provided and maintain staff and permits as specified in Rule 85E. The license shall allow an inspector authorized by the license authority in their behalf to enter with or without prior notice any premises where the manufacturer of homeopathic medicine in respect of the which is a license is issued. Means drug inspector is enter in any factory or any manufacturing unit uh, prior notice or without notice. In carried on the spec the permission the sample of manufacture of homeopathic medicine. The license shall allow an inspector to inspect all registers and records maintained under the rules and shall apply to the inspector such information as he may require by the purpose of ascertaining whether the provision of the act and the rule may be therefore has been observed. The license shall maintain as an inspection book in Form 35 to enable an inspector to record his impression and defected notice. The license shall comply with the following condition with the uh, many conditions in the respect of the mother tinctures manufactured by him. The crude drug used in the manufacture of the mother tincture shall be identified and records such identification shall be kept. The total solid in the mother tincture shall be determined and record of such tests shall be kept. The alcohol content in the mother tincture shall be determined and record of the same maintained. The content of mother tincture shall be preferably mm, of the glass or shall be clean, free from impurities and adhering matter. The glass shall be natural as far as possible. In the process of manufacture of mother tincture, hygiene condition must required. Storage handling conditions must be properly observed by the license according to homeopathic principle. Records must be maintained of homeopathic medicines containing alcohol and the quantity sold together with the names and address of party to whom sold. 85I means cancellation and suspension of the license. The license authority may, after giving the license an opportunity to show cause why such an order should be not be passed, by an order or writing stating the reason therefore cancel a license issued under the part of suspend it such period he thinks fits either wholly respect of uh, some of the substance in which relates. If in his opinion the license has failed to comply with any condition of the license or with the provision of the act rules may be thereunder, a license whose license has been suspended or cancelled may appeal the state government whose decision shall be final. In this topic we study various subsection of the manufacture of the homeopathic medicine, either trituration, dilution, mother tincture, and we studied the how we taken the license for manufacturing unit. Thank you. Namaste.